Happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Yes. I think we have a trick here.
Wait,
How did that? Wait. That did not make sense. That was a trick. That was a.
Yay!
I get to take them out.
One out.
No, he was just like.
Alex, you trickster, you.
Emmy,
I like those trick cats.
what do you think of that cake, Em?
Nobody gets the candles.
Emmy, what do you think of this cake?
They go off for like 10 seconds and they spark up again. Not like 5
It is?
10.
Awesome.
Like, we're waiting a while and they spark. Like, literally, no. Sparks like start your.
How old are you now, Em?
Let's remake. Yes.
Eight.
That's
Is it 8 this year?
Yes.
All right.
Yeah,
I love you.
Why are you taking